The S&P 500 is a market capitalization weighted stock market index that tracks the stock performance of about 500 of some of the largest US public companies such as Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, etc. And if you were to Google this up, the average yearly return of this index is 10.04% over the last 30 years. So I was just thinking to myself, hey, why not just screen the top 50 stocks in the S&P 500 through some of my most favorite stock trading softwares to find a winner. And please note that this is obviously not financial advice. This was an idea that has been in my head, and I thought, hey, why not just share the results to you guys out there? And maybe from this screening, you guys can also help analyze and share what you feel are good stocks in the S&P 500 to hold for the next few years. Let me now introduce the two trading softwares that I will be using for this experiment, and they are Marketclub and Seeking Alpha. Marketclub is basically a paid technical screening software that helps us check the trend of stocks as well as provide entry and exit signals. But since I'm going to be screening for 50 stocks today, I'll only be using its Smart Scan feature that gives me a very brief summary of the stock's trend. Seeking Alpha, on the other hand, is a paid subscription service where it provides stock market research, analysis, and community discussions. For the purpose of this experiment, I'll be using its rating summary where we can see the ratings of its analysts, Wall Street, and its quant rating, which is an objective evaluation of each stock based on data such as the company's financial statement, the stock price performance, and analyst estimates of the company's future revenue and earnings, where stocks are given a score between 1 to 5, where 5 is the best lah. And to make the challenge more fun, I will categorize these 50 stocks into category A, B, or C. Category A stocks are stocks which I feel can invest lah. B are stocks which I feel okay, not too bad. And C are the ones that I won't consider for now. And again, this is not financial advice, this is just me fooling around with trading softwares. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let us start screening. So the 50th stock on the list will be Applied Material, AMAT. So you can see, as per Marketclub's trade triangle, the long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend is up, short-term trend is down. It has a score of plus 75, which is pretty good. So let's take a look at Seeking Alpha. Okay, Seeking Alpha's rating, as you can see, their analysts are saying it's a whole, Wall Street buy, quant rating is a whole, factor grade growth is a C+. I think for this one, I'll give it category B. What do you think? Let's move to the next one. And the next stock will be Caterpillar. Now we are talking. So Marketclub's trade triangle for Caterpillar, long-term trend up, intermediate term trend up, short term trend up, with a plus 100 score. As you can see from the Smart Scan analysis, Caterpillar is in a strong uptrend that is likely to continue. Okay, not too bad. Let's go and look at Seeking Alpha. Okay, the score is definitely better than Applied Material. Rating summary, you can see their analysts are saying buy, Wall Street hold, quant rating is a strong buy, factor grades growth is a C+. Okay, this one, I think I'll give it a category B. Let's go to the next stock. General Electric, GE. Wow, it seems like everything is going up, man. Long-term trend up, intermediate term trend up, short-term trend also up. Based on the Smart Scan analysis, GE is in a strong uptrend that is likely to continue. I like the fact that it's also having a plus 100 trend score. So let's look at Seeking Alpha. I hate when there's a conflict. So Seeking Alpha analysts are saying hold, Wall Street says buy, the quant rating is a hold. If you were to look at the factor grades, I mean, besides valuation being an F, the rest are pretty good scores. This one, I'll put it into category B. Let's go to the next stock. IBM. Long-term trend up, intermediate term trend down, short-term trend down. Don't need to see already lah. Category C. Let's go to the next stock. Danaher Corporation, DHR. Okay, looking good, looking good. Long-term trend up, intermediate term trend also up, short-term trend up. Let's take a look at what Seeking Alpha has to say. Rating summary, quant is a whole, factor grades, growth C, momentum C+, skip category C. Let's go to the next one. Comcast, CMCSA. Long-term trend up, intermediate term trend is down, short-term trend up. I think for this, skip. Okay, let's look at the next stock, which is Qualcomm. Long-term trend up, intermediate term trend also up, short-term trend also up. Let's look at what Seeking Alpha has to say. Rating summary, the quant rating is a whole, factor grade, growth D+. I put this into category B. Sorry. Next, Oracle. Look at Oracle. Skip. Verizon, VZ. Looking good. Long-term trend is up. Intermediate term trend also up. And the short-term trend is also up. Let's see what Seeking Alpha has to say. Seeking Alpha analysts are saying it's a buy. Wall Street says it's a buy. Unfortunately, the quant is saying hold. So growth also D. Category B. Let's go to the next one. Intuit, INTU. Okay, long-term trend is up. Intermediate term trend also up. Short-term trend also up. The score is plus 100, which looks good. Let's see what Seeking Alpha has to say. Analysts are saying it's a hold. Quant says it's a hold. Category B. Sorry. Next, Intel. This one should be good. I was wrong, so sorry about it. You look at the score. Skip. Okay guys, I just want to be upfront. As this was my first time doing a screening on YouTube, I did not expect the trend scores for the stocks to change so fast via Marketclub, and hence I messed up the reviews of a few stocks as the screenshots and the dialogue just did not tally. The stocks whose reviews I messed up are Wells Fargo, McDonald's, Google's Class A and Class B, and Berkshire. I promise that if I were to do another screening, this will not happen. But for now, these few stocks will not be reviewed, and I really thank you for your understanding in this, as I'm still learning as well. Cisco, CSCO. Long-term trend down, intermediate term trend also down, short-term up. Skip. Category C. Let's go to Disney. Walt Disney, come on man. Okay, long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, short-term trend is down, showing some signs of short-term weakness but remains in the confines of a long-term uptrend. Okay, can consider. Let's look at what Seeking Alpha has to say. Too bad. Quant says it's a hold, but the rest of the scores looks good. I'll put this in category B. Okay, next, Abbott, ABT. Wow, look at this. Plus 100. Long-term, intermediate term and short-term trend are all up. ABT is in a strong uptrend that is likely to continue. Wow, looks good. Okay, let's see what Seeking Alpha has to say. Too bad. Quant is saying it's a hold. I'll put this in the category C. No, category B. Okay, next, Lindy, LIN. Wow, this one also looks good, man. Long-term trend up, intermediate term trend up, short-term also up. Strong uptrend. What does Seeking Alpha have to say about this? Strong buy by the Seeking Alpha analyst, but Wall Street is a buy, quant is a hold. Wow, this one is quite tempting to be honest, but I'll just put this category B. Got to be stringent leh guys. Category A stock to me, I think technicals must be good, but also you want the Seeking Alpha score to be good also lah, right? That's full marks what? Thermo Fisher Scientific, TMO. Okay, in terms of trend score, this company is doing well as well. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend is up, short-term trend is up, score is plus 100. Let's look at what Seeking Alpha has to say. The Seeking Alpha analysts are saying hold and the quant is saying hold, so I don't think I'll put this in category A. It's a category B. Accenture, ACN. Okay, trend score is plus 100, long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, short-term trend also up. Man, wow, this rating summary is not easy to really get like full marks. Seeking Alpha analysts are saying hold, Wall Street is buy, quant is hold. This is a category B for me. Let's go to the next one. Bank of America, my bestie is working there. Oh, good scores. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, short-term is up, the score is plus 100, giving this a very strong uptrend. Too bad. Growth is a F, quant is a hold. Category B. Let's go to the next one. Pepsi. Wow, the trend for Pepsi is plus 100, long-term, intermediate term and short-term is all up. Let's look at Seeking Alpha right now. Buy, strong buy. Now we are talking. Growth is a C+. Okay, I think this one will qualify to be our first Cat A stock. Let's look at Coke right now, KO. So you can see the Coke, not too bad. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, short-term up. Seeking Alpha analysts are saying it's a hold. Growth is a C. I'll put this in the category B. So Pepsi wins. Adobe, ADBE. Wow, I'm using this to edit my videos later, but the score is negative 90. How? Okay, this is a category C. Walmart, WMT. Another good trend. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, short-term trend is also up. Seeking Alpha is saying it's a hold, quant is saying it's a hold. I'm saying this is a category B. Moving on to the next stock, Netflix, NFLX. Long-term trend up, intermediate term trend up, short-term trend up. The score is plus 90, looking good. Factor grades looking good, but unfortunately the rating summary is a hold for Seeking Alpha analyst and the quant analyst, so I'll put this into category B. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. Wow, long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, short-term trend up, score of plus 90. This one looks good. Seeking Alpha hold, quant hold high, wasted. I was really hoping this would be a Cat A stock, but it's a Cat B. Okay, let's go to the next one. Chevron CVX. Long term up, intermediate term up, short term down. The score is plus 75. Let's look at what Seeking Alpha has to say. Buy hold for the quant. Growth is a D+. Wow. Category B. Okay, let's go to the next one. Hey guys, we are already halfway there. Salesforce CRM. Oh, look at the score, plus 90. Looking good. Let's go to Seeking Alpha. Wow, now we are talking. Seeking Alpha analyst. Buy. Wall Street buy. Quant strong buy. Man, this is not a Cat A. This is a Cat A star. Okay, good stock, man. This one can KIV. Next one, ABBV. Sorry, I don't really know how to pronounce this. Wow, like everything going up already. We see long-term trend up, intermediate term trend up, short-term also up. ABBV. Wow. Seeking Alpha analysts are saying buy, Wall Street buy, quant is a strong buy, growth is a C. Wow, this is a Cat A stock, man. Not bad, Cat A. Let's go to the next one. Costco, COST. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, short-term trend is up, score is plus 100. Let's see what Seeking Alpha has to say. Analysts and the quant rating is a whole. Okay, this is a Cat B. Okay, we are now down to stock number 20. Merck and Co. MRK. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, and the short-term is also up, plus 100. Let's see what Seeking Alpha has to say. Buy hold for the quant rating. Too bad, growth is an A- or more. Cat B, verging to Cat A. Home Depot, long-term up, intermediate term up, short-term up. Let's see what Seeking Alpha has to say. Uh-oh, quant is a whole, growth is a C-. Cat B. Next stock, Procter & Gamble, PG. So the long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, and the short-term trend is also up. Quant is saying hold though. Growth is a C. I'll put this into category B. Mastercard MA. Okay, so Mastercard is our 17th stock already. We can do it, guys. Oh, Mastercard. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, and the short-term trend is up. Score is plus 100. Wow, look at this. Strong buy, but quant is a whole. Growth is a B+. This is a Cat B moving to Cat A kind of stock. Okay, Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, and the short-term trend is also up. Score is plus 100, which is looking good. Buy hold. Growth is a C. Category B for me. Exxon Mobil, XOM. Long-term trend is down. What's the point? I don't really like to fight against the long-term trend. This is a category C stock for me. Okay, Visa, V. Visa's long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend also up, short-term is up. Buy hold. Too bad. Growth is a B+ or more. This is a Cat B going to Cat A stock. I think we have to be very strict on our criteria because ultimately we are trying to find the best of the best in the S&P 500. United Health, UNH. Long-term trend is down. I'll put this in category C. Let's move to the next one. JP Morgan, JPM. Okay, long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend up, short-term is up, so the trend is plus 100. Buy, too bad, the quant is a whole. Growth is a D. This is a category B stock for me. Tesla, wow, everybody's favorite EV. Let's see, is it worth buying Tesla right now using screeners? What do they have to say about Tesla? Wow, I did not expect this. Negative 65. Category C for me. Sorry. Broadcom, AVGO. Okay, plus 90. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend is up, short-term is also up. AVGO. Buy hold. Growth is a B-. This is also a category B going to category A stock for me. Okay, next. Eli Lilly, LLY. Okay, long-term and intermediate term is up, short-term is down. If you were to look at the Smart Scan analysts, you can see that they are saying it's showing short-term weakness. Okay, so let's see what Seeking Alpha has to say. LLY. Hold buy hold. Growth A- or more. Too bad. Category B. Next. Meta, META. Looking good as well. Long-term trend is up. Intermediate term trend is up. Short-term is up. Score is plus 90. Buy hold. Growth A-. This is a Cat B going to Cat A stock for me. Okay, next. Amazon, AMZN. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend up, short-term is up. Buy strong, buy. Quant is a whole. Growth is an A-. I think I put this as a Cat A stock, to be honest. I mean, personal preference lah. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Nvidia, come on, earnings are so good. I just only say lah, long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend up, short-term up, plus 100. You can see that Nvidia is in a strong uptrend that is likely to continue. Let's see what Seeking Alpha has to say. Is it too late for us to enter Nvidia? Hold strong buy hold. Yeah, maybe I'll just put this as Cat B. Sorry. Apple. Okay, so Apple is showing some form of sideways pattern. You can see the score is negative 55 and it's because the intermediate term trend is down. So I'll put this as a Cat C stock, sorry. And the last one, Microsoft. Is this our A-star stock? Ooh, look at this. Long-term trend is up, intermediate term trend is also up, and the short-term trend is up. Buy strong, buy hold. Ah yeah, too bad. Growth is a B-. Cat B moving to Cat A. Okay, that's it, all 50 stocks. Okay guys, so here are the list of stocks that I will personally rank as a category A stock, and if I were to choose, this will be the stock that I will put into my A-star category. Please note that this is not a buy recommendation. I will obviously be doing more research, but do share in the comment section down below on what your thoughts are, and if there are any stocks from the index that you feel should be invested and why. Anyway, my name is Darren, I'm from Singapore. I enjoy posting personal finance and investment content on YouTube. So if you enjoyed this video, then do consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!